Hello people, welcome to Dhaapps HTML and CSS course. So myself Dharma Apana, I will be handling this course for the next 2 weeks guys. So today what I will do is I'll just give some introduction what exactly the HTML and CSS is used for, why we use HTML and CSS, where we use, okay? See guys, see, so HTML and CSS, I think many of you know, but if you don't know also no problem. So you know website, right? So website is nothing but website is a collection of web pages. Okay, web application we can say. This website, any website. If it's for example, if you take google.com is one website. Okay, facebook.com is one website. facebook.com. Any website has two parts guys, basically. Okay, front end and back end. This back end will deal with server and database. Okay, what is front end? Front end is user interface. The what we are seeing, the feel, the look and feel of the website is user interface. So for example, if you take any website, let me open Google Chrome. I'll open website like Wikipedia, suppose. Okay, let me open Wikipedia website. See guys, like you're seeing this website, no? The front end what we are seeing here is nothing but user interface. Okay, you got it. See, if you just I'll just inspect, I will show the page better. I'll take the page source. If you see here, if you zoom it, you can see here what is here. HTML is written. Okay, I'll keep that in mind. So what I want to tell you is the front end technologies are the user interface. The front end, you understand what is exactly front end? The front end means user interface. We have for developing the user interface, we have HTML, CSS, JavaScript and JavaScript libraries like Angular, JS, Bootstrap. We have all that. So what exactly the HTML will do? HTML is the only language which is understandable by the browser. Okay, so with the help of HTML, we will create the structure of web page will be developed in the HTML only. Okay, what exactly the HTML is? HTML is a front end development. Okay, for the front end development we'll use. At the same time, the web page structure will be only HTML we can develop. We can say directly HTML is the only language which is understandable by the browser. You got it. So without HTML there is no website exists. So for any developer, website, for any website, HTML is must and should. Okay, HTML is must and should. You got it? So now we got it exactly what to. Okay, now if you see backend, like you got it now, what is front end? I will explain you backend also, like you will understand if you know backend technologies. If you take PHP, Java, .NET, Python. Okay, we have so many things. So if you develop a website in PHP, HTML is needed. Okay, Node.js. Okay, if you develop in Java, HTML is needed. .NET, HTML is needed. Python, HTML is needed. Node.js, HTML is needed. You got it. Coming to database, we have different database, MySQL, Oracle. Okay, so MongoDB. So what I want to tell you is the website, if you develop web application, HTML is mandatory. You got it. So you can use anything, PHP, Python or anything you can use, but HTML is mandatory. So what we are doing in this course is I will be explaining HTML and CSS. Okay. So HTML and CSS, right? Why CSS then? Why CSS? So what CSS will do is it will add some design to the HTML code. Okay, for the designing purpose we will be using CSS. So in this course 2 weeks I will be explaining you HTML plus CSS, both I will be explaining you. Finally we will do one project. Okay, it's a simple project. Okay, don't expect much, just simple project we'll do. So all the tags I will be explaining, all the elements what we are having in HTML, we'll try to do maximum thing. Okay, so when if you discuss with HTML, just HTML is nothing but it's a markup language. So full form of HTML. So tomorrow I'll start discussing all the tags and all. We'll start how to design it. Today I'll just introducing what is HTML, what is HTML. Okay, just if you take HTML full form of HTML is hypertext text markup language. I think most of the people know the definition. Markup language is the full form of HTML. But what is hypertext? So hypertext means the text that can be transferred from internet server to the internet client. Okay, so it is transforming from the server request to client side. Okay, now what is markup? Markup language, like we can say it is a syntax in the form of tags. Markups means the syntax which are in the form of tags, simple words. Okay, so finally what HTML is used to design web pages. You got it. So HTML, what it will contain, what sections it will contain, will into the HTML from tomorrow. But today I just want to make sure that why HTML is used, why everyone need to learn HTML. Now you got it, the importance of HTML. Like if you're a PHP developer, you need HTML. Java developer, HTML. Python, HTML. .NET, HTML. Node.js, HTML. Okay, like if you see full stack developers, right? We'll see full stack developers. A lot of demand is there for full stack developers. So full stack developers means the person who can design front end, back end. If you design both, if you have knowledge on one front end, back end, and database, if you have knowledge, we call him as full stack developers. So lot of openings are there for full stack developers. So if you want to become Python full stack developer or mean stack developers, like you have to learn HTML is mandatory. You got it. See, this is very simple, guys. Very simple language HTML is. So what I will do is just I will write one program. Don't explain, don't expect what it is, just I'll write it. Okay, so to write the HTML things, so we don't need anything, guys. Simple notepad is enough. Okay, notepad is enough to write the HTML program. Okay, we need to write the program and we need to save it. .html, we need to save it. But I will show you some of the text editors also, so that will also help you to write the program more. So first, if you don't know anything, if you don't have any other software, use notepad, you can use it. Okay, so today I'll just write simple. Okay, so from tomorrow I'll discuss what is the structure of HTML program. I will discuss everything. Just today, see how easy it is. Okay, I'll open the notepad. So my notepad is here. So it starts from HTML tags. Okay, so it is we can take you can take uppercase or lowercase. Okay, it is case insensitive. We can take anything, it doesn't matter. Okay, just it contains head and body section. Head section, just title you can write it title tag here. Okay, but okay, no problem, don't write anything, we'll write the body tag. So body, just don't worry about this all. I will explain what is body tag, I will explain everything. Okay, Just listen, just see how we can write the code. Okay, in body tag, HTML is easy. Is easy. Simple, guys. This is the program. This is the HTML file. Just we need to save it as. I'll save it in desktop. Of okay. We'll take it in desktop only. We'll run it. Just I'll save it as first HTML dot HTML. Okay. Okay. Now we'll run it. Keep it where it is. Here it is. See, our program is here. So how to run it? You can run double click or else right click, open with any verbs. We can click that also. Okay, double clicking. See here, this is our program. HTML is easy. See how we got it. So we don't need any editors. Like if you have notepad you can do it, but we'll make you, I'll show you what are the different editors we have. So we'll work on it. Okay, see, this is our first HTML program. They're very easy. You got it? So any website HTML is mandatory. Don't worry, doc type and all I will explain clearly. As of now, like I want you to make why HTML is important. Like I think you got that why HTML is important. What exactly the HTML is used for? It's a user interface. It's easy to develop user interface. You got it? Simple. So from tomorrow onwards we'll continue the classes. Okay, tomorrow I'll explain the basic tags and all. I'll start writing the program from tomorrow. Okay, you please concentrate. Every day you need to practice. Don't neglect the codes. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.